Start off the day for Kaitere. Meet at Kaitere flag. Wait for the bell to ring. Read the notice board. Year 6 girls, hang your bags downstairs. Hīkoi up the stairs, keeping to the left. The rest of Kaitere, hang your bags at the top. Remove water bottles or books. Take your water bottles or books out. Drink bottles go in the shelf by the door. Take your pukapuka from your tow tray and find a spot to read. At the 9 o'clock bell, put your pukapuka away and go to your kaiako. Listen for your name on the roll and place your lunch order. Meet all together as Te Whānau or Kaitere. Start with mihi, waiata and karakia.